Hello friends, so today we will discuss about how to stop the auto generating number for any table, which is by default when we're creating a table, it will you see that when you refresh, when you open a form of any table, and you want to refresh it, you generally see that the number is being updated, okay, without being saved. And what happened is there is a gap between uh, the saved records and which you right now are doing is basically some gaps you will see. For example, we have a table called bag companies. So for example, if I create a new bag, so here you can see here there is a the last digit is 54, but if I refresh it, then it will become 55. So there is a auto increment because because we this is the table dictionary dictionary this is a table actually, and if I see the columns number, and it is generally created by default when you selecting a auto generate during your table creation. So if you see here, there is a get next pattern number. So this is what it's out of the box. ServiceNow provided this script, and basically it will generate a number um, on your um, on your refresh or without being saved. So there are two options. One is when by doing some using some business rules, and one is by using a properties out of the box. We have properties, and that properties is this one, okay, glide itl dot assign dot number dot on dot insert. So if you make this true, it will not basically populate your number here. What it will do is when you saved it, it will save the record. It will save the record, and if you again let me show you this. This is the first option. Mm, Make it true to active this property. Okay, so here you can see this is a custom table, okay, created on any scoped applications. So it will affect all the records which is in service now. So let me refresh it. See, the number is not populated here. So right now we can create any like with any random number. Let me show you. So if I save this, so now the number is populated. Okay. Uh, so the thing is like it will not show value creating when the properties is active. So what we can do in a different way is to create a business rule and take the last created. Okay, so let me show you here. It is a 556. So as you can see, 556. So again, if you try to create one more, it will become a 57. And means it's not depends on your refresh, means when it is while whether you creating or you just opened it casually. So it will saved it and it will take it from here. Um, how many times means the last one, and it will become a 557. So let me make this false. Okay, okay, and if you again do this, try to create it become 57 because of this one. Now this one is executing. Okay, so our next target is to get these numbers using we can we will able to see this number by using some scripts. And what we will do, we will gonna do is we will take the last created incident or the incident, and we will increment it by 1 and populate this on the number field. So for this, for first we need to make this uncheck and saved it, because we don't want this to happen now, right now on the second option. I'm using here display business rule. No, so why? Because in display business rules, uh, because we have a G underscore scratchpad global object. That's so G underscore scratchpad is a global object in ServiceNow that is available in display business rule only, and we can create a properties to this object in server side to pass data between server side to client side, and when the form is loaded. Okay, and you know why display business rule is because uh, before um, before showing the user, means displayed to the present, the form is present to the user, we will fill the data on the number field. Here we are not selecting any conditions. We don't want any conditions. Rather, we will use one condition here. Now, now using this display business rule, we will get the last uh, number which is created, and we will pass it to the client side using G underscore scratchpad. So type is on load, because display business rule is always runs on load. It's taking too much time, guys. Yeah, you can see here. Just now I refreshed it, and you can see still it is a 5 7. Just let me show you from here also. In the list, you can see there is a the last created one is the 5 6. If I open it, you can see this is 5 7. If I refresh it again, it remain 5 7. So yeah, so this is what actually we can do from using GA underscore scratchpad and onload client side script. So in business rule, what we did is just we glide to the back table and we um, order it by descending order. We get the last created one, and we just using G underscore as scratchpad we created one attribute, means that key value means it's a key, and the value is the number, the last number, and then we just using it here. We are checking here like whether the just last number is all means in the G scratchpad it's there or not. So if it is there, then we will perform some certain actions like the number, like we just wanted to increment this one, not this one. So we are just separating those um, separating those um, string and adding one. So that's all. Thanks everyone for this video. For please like and subscribe.